Hi, so today I am going to show you how to make Gacha characters walk. And sorry for no intro. I'm using another device, which I'm using my mom's phone to record. So yeah. So first, because I don't have those apps. So first the app you will need is Gacha Life, Smooth Action Cam, Crop and Trim Video, or maybe if you do need it, and Kind Master, and a recorder of your choice. And next, so first you go to Gacha Life. Well, obviously. That's a really loud sound. Okay. And now choose a wall. Now go to body and change the pose. Go to animated and set a and next, go to Kind Master. Now go here and just select any size of the ratio you want. And now go to Media. And then go to where you screen recorded it. Or you can go to video crop first. And next, just export it. Yeah, all you're going to do is export it. Right over here. And now, next, go to Smooth Action Cam. Now go to Open File. And now choose what you recorded. And now make it, but if you record it, make sure it's up to 20 or 30 seconds, or so it could, when you make it faster, it will still be like longer. Like that. Make it faster so it could be less laggy. Now next, just export it. And then next, go to crop and trim video, or you don't need it, but it's fine if you want to use it. And next, go to Kind Master again. Now pick another project, and now choose a nice background for your video, for your walking thing. You know, just go to crop and trim videos. This still works if you don't have roots. Go to layer, go to media, and choose the video. You know, like. And now go to cropping. And now just crop it. Like this much. Now press the check mark. Now press on this and go to chroma key. And now make sure this key color is the same color as your background thing, your green screen, and then just press enable. Now just put your character however you want. Where is it? Okay, I think I made a mistake. Why can't I flip it? Oops. Oops, oops, oops. Okay, maybe not today. And next, good. And next, if there's any extra bits, just, split them. And now, put it where you want it to start. And next, just press on it and then press this key. And now, just move it. Just separate each piece so it can, like, I don't know, naturally, I guess. Oop, message. It's fine, I'll just read it later. Look at this. Now your character's walking. Or you can also do another method. Just move it straightly there, like that. It still works. See? And that's all you need to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe to see more videos like this one. And I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.